One of the great aspects of Microsoft Excel is its ease to be able to produce other tools that help you in your job. So we've got our template up here. We might be asked by our employer to actually show our sales in a chart or a chart sheet. And we have a shortcut that allows us to do that, which is the shortcut F11. So all we simply do is first select the columns of data that we want to create into a chart sheet. So in this case, we're going to choose the product column and also the total column. And then all we do is press F11. And what it will do is create that chart sheet for you, which you can then print out, or you could export or do whatever you want with it. So down the bottom here, we can switch between our original worksheet and our chart sheet just by clicking on the tabs there. And let's say, for instance, we found that today we had an increase of shirts by by 200 in quantity. And you can see there the total now changes to 4,000. Well, the cool part about this chart sheet is that they're actually linked. So when I click on the chart sheet, you can now see that the shirts have actually increased to 4,000. So the thing about the worksheets and chart sheets is with the way we built it, it's actually interconnected and it's a live chart. So as you add information to a worksheet, it will be reflected in that chart sheet.